Meaning of field.
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 Field. The word field can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to a particular area or domain of study, work, or interest. It can also refer to an expanse of open land used for agricultural purposes or for outdoor activities. In physics, a field is a region of space where a physical effect or force exists. In computer programming, a field normally refers to a specific data element within a data structure, such as a database record or a web form.